During a mathematics lecture at university, a student fell asleep in class and woke up upon hearing the voices of his classmates. Before we begin our video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's start our video. When the lecture ended, he noticed that the professor had written two problems on the whiteboard. He thought these were homework questions, so he copied them into his notebook to solve them later. When he tried to solve these problems for the first time, he found them quite difficult. But he did not give up and spent hours in the library researching and studying until, after much effort, he succeeded in solving one of the problems, even though it was a tough challenge. This is very informative video. Please stay with me. The next class, when the professor did not ask anything about the homework, the student was surprised. Curious, he stood up and asked, Professor, why did not you ask about the assignment from the last class? The professor smiled and replied, That was not a required assignment. I just wrote down two problems that scientists have yet to solve. Have patience, stay with me. Hearing this, the student was shocked and said, But I have solved one of those problems and I have written 4 pages on it. Eventually, the university recognized his discovery and the solution was added to the record at university. These 4 pages are still present in the university records. The student's success was mainly due to the fact that he did not listen to the professor's statement that these problems are unsolvable. He simply treated it as a problem that needed solving, and with perseverance, dedication, and without any frustration, he solved it. Watch this video till end. This story teaches us an important lesson. Never listen to those who tell you that you can't achieve something because today's youth are often tangled in negative words and doubts. Don't go anywhere, watch till end. Some people deliberately plant the seeds of failure and disappointment, but remember, you have the power within you to reach your destination, overcome difficulties, and fulfill your dreams. Just trust in God and keep working hard. So, this was the video. Hope you found this video useful. Please do subscribe. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.